Hi, this is a demo to show how to connect to Google Drive from Google Colab. So we are on the DCEG Statistical Genetics Workshop website. We'll be using the introduction practical first QC notebook as an example. So we click on the QC notebook web a link. It will take you to the GitHub repo for the first notebook. We can open it in Colab. So it's now open in the Colab using my own Google account. And notice that this has not been connected to a runtime yet, so it says connect here. So we can click on connect, so wait for a second. So now it's connected to a remote runtime, which is a remote computer. So all the stuff on this notebook will be run on a remote computer. So now we need to connect to the shared Google Drive for the data to be used for this notebook. So we will open this link. I would open the link in a new tab. And then it asks you whether you want to leave Colab. Say yes, because we still have the old tab there. And so now it's open in my Google Drive under my own account. So we could go to share with me, and you will see the StatGen workshop folder is under share with me. So what we need to do is to put a shortcut under my drive so that later I can mark my drive in the notebook. So what you do is click on the three dots here to go to organize and then add shortcut. And then so go to all locations, add to my drive. So looks like it's been added. So let's go to my drive and we see the StatGen workshop here. So you can see that it's a shortcut, not an actual folder, but it has all the information here like data, workshop 1 and workshop 2. Now we can go back to the notebook. We have already connected to the runtime. So we can start running the actual connect. So if we do, we'll run this cell, and then it will give you a warning whether you actually want to connect. So you do run anyway, connect to Google Drive, select the account that I'll be using, allowed, give it a second. So it says it's mounted at the content drive. We can take a quick look to see if the data is there. So we can like add another line. So we're using a Python notebook, so we need to tell the notebook that we want to use bash, or we can also do shell. So we can do ls content drive my drive. So that will show all the folders under my drive. So we see StatGen workshop here. So this will be showing everything under my drive, and in my case, I only have the StatGen workshop. So let's see, under StatGen workshop, I have, I just do containers, and I see plink 1.9.tar file here. Let's see if we can see the same file here. So what I just did is I typed the first two letters and then I did a tab, and then it will auto-complete. Con, I just have to type con. I will show, and then do tab. I would autocomplete to containers, and then we run this shell, and we do see this plink 1.9 .tar here, so meaning that we are successfully mounted the Google Drive with the share folder. This concludes the demonstration.